if the spread goes positive, it would actually be the first time since Trump was elected that the spread goes positive. Pretty much since Trump won the election, inflation swap spreads went negative, right? And what this basically tells you is, in the most simple approach, the reason they dropped the way that they did when Trump won is the market had to start pricing in tariff risk. And tariffs are, and fundamentally, we understand that tariffs are not inflationary in the sense that they dethrone longer term inflation expectations, because if you hike goods 100% this year with a tariff, they're not going to be hiked in perpetuity, right? It's raised once. And in reality, it actually affects demand too. So in some ways, it could be disinflationary or even deflationary, depending on what the goods are. Long story short, you're not going to get the CPI readings every year for the next 10 years that show that 100% price hike. It's once and done, right? The Fed tries to allude to this aspect when they say tariffs are short-lived. The reason they say things like this is because they're actually just not allowed to say transitory. They can't. They can't. But like every time Powell's on stage and he's like dancing around the question, you're like, okay, he wants to say transitory. He knows that he's going to maybe clowned if he says it because of the big 2022 dilemma, which we can actually even see on these swaps.